Hello techies, so in this lab we're working on 9.3.8 and we are spoof MAC address with SMC. Okay, as an IT administrator you need to know how security breaches are caused. You know that SMAC is used for MAC spoofing, so you are going to spoof your MAC address in this lab. On the Office 2, find the IP4 address with MAC address assigned to the Ethernet card. And on the IT admin, find the IP4 address and the MAC address using SMAC, Spoof, and Office 2. Okay, on the IT admin, refresh the IP address, find the current MAC and IP4 addresses assigned to the Ethernet card. Then we're going to answer question 5 when we're done. Okay, so that is pretty straightforward. And remember, this is 9.3.8. We start lab. And then remember, if you find this video too fast for you, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. All right, so let's start up. So on the Office 2, find the IP4 MAC address. So we'll go to PowerShell and then we'll look for the MAC address. So ipconfig all, and that is going to give us the MAC address, IP4 address also. So we just answer the question, what is the MAC address of the Ethernet card on Office 2? So the MAC address is let's see what we have here. 0000. Okay, which IP4 address? IP4 address is going to be 192.168.192.168.033. Okay, let's on the IT admin, find the IP4 address MAC assigned to the Ethernet card. So we'll go to IT admin, go to PowerShell, ipconfig all, and we answer the question. So what is the MAC address? This is the MAC address 0055 for the 422, and this is the IP address also. So 0055 for the 414, and the IP address is 192.168.0.31. and what else are we doing? Using MAC proof and the MAC address and the IT admin match that of Office 2. Okay, so open SMAC and click OK. Open SMAC again, run as administrator. All right, 00. Let's see what we have. 000055554416. Update MAC and adapter reset. Okay, you can see it here, 192.168. Okay, see ipconfig all. ipconfig all. Okay, so you can see that this matches this. Does the IP4 address? Yes. So close this, and I think that we've been able to answer all the questions and we've completed all the tasks in this lab. So we'll go ahead and check answers. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.